Hello, welcome to Foodofast. Fantastic food at your fingertips. So today I am here with a very good recipe, and before we get into the recipe, I just would like to mention something about chutneys. Chutneys, do you believe that they are coming from 500 BC and they had a way into England and France as well? Your salsa dip is a kind of chutney. Do you believe it? We make a lot of tamarind chutneys, usually in South India, for all the breakfasts that we have, and Andhra basically for your rice delights, we make chutneys, but very few varieties with coconut, pudina, coriander or tomatoes. But what we have to realize is that chutneys can be prepared from a variety of vegetables. So right here, without much delay, I would like to share a very delicious chutney. Okay, a very interesting recipe with bottle gourd. So, blazing bottle gourd otni. Otni is nothing but chutney. What I'm going to use as ingredients today are finely chopped bottle gourd, half a bottle gourd I have taken, and then 2 tomatoes. I have taken 2 tomatoes, green chilies and red chilies. Basically 4 green chilies for half, almost this length of almost 1.5 feet of bottle gourd. I have taken 4 green chilies and 3 red chilies. What you need is oil, you need little Bengal gram, you need little urad dal, you need for tempering you need mustard and jeera, and the most important ingredient is til. This is going to add lot of flavor to your food, and of course salt and little of hing. Okay, without much delay, let's get into the process. I'm adding a spoon of oil to a kadai which is preheated, and now it's time to add the bottle gourd pieces, right? So we have added the bottle gourd pieces. Mix them little, okay? And there's no harm in adding tomatoes along with them. Once you add tomatoes to this, what you need to do is to add a bit of salt so that they become soft. Salt usually helps vegetables to get softer, right? So mix everything well. As mentioned in my previous video, I usually use, instead of kadais, I use pans of different sizes just because there is good spread and your dish gets prepared very quickly. That's the only reason I use a pan. For gravies, of course, you can use a kadai instead of this. Now, close with a lid. Allow it to get softer a bit. Okay, while this is getting cooked, let's talk about the benefits of bottle gourd. Why should we add it? I know kids don't like whenever you say bottle gourd, you make different dishes out of it. Children usually, they say no. But you need to understand that bottle gourd is very low in carbohydrates. So it is well suitable for diabetes, and it is low in sodium, which is very much beneficial for hypertension, which is blood pressure. And it is alkaline in nature, which means it gets rid of your acidity, and it is high in vitamin C as well, and it is an immunity booster. and it has loads of water and fiber which helps your stomach to be clean. Okay, so with this information, let's just check if it is cooked a bit. It might take few minutes because bottle gourd doesn't take usually long time to get cooked. It is, the tomato that needs to be, a bit softer. Let's spread it evenly so that it is getting cooked properly. So, what is the next interesting thing that we are going to do is, just tampering and mixing it. Isn't it very interesting? And it goes well with dosa, idli, rotis. Have it with rice and ghee, hot rice and ghee. Okay, so let's wait for okay, let's see if it is soft enough for us. Now when you see the bottle gourd sticking to the pan, that's one exactly you need to remove it from fire. I'm taking it into a bowl. Okay, so that it gets cooled a bit before we grind it. Okay. Now leaving this here, we are now going to do the tempering. Use the same pan, no harm in it. Use the same pan. I'm using the same pan here, and I'm going to add, lower the flame a bit because it is the grains that we are going to add. Add some oil. Okay. Now almost 2.5 spoons of oil is what I used for this. Now the first thing you're going to add is your gram dal, which is Bengal gram. It's going to give nice crispy taste, taste to the tongue, and it is the most important ingredient for any chutney. Urad dal is what I'm adding next. Let them, allow them to fry, get fried a bit. Now immediately you need to add your red chilies, not the green chilies, okay? Beware, add the red chilies. Once you start, once you add the green chilies, they are going to splitter like anything. So it's always good to, make them into two and add. Okay, let's see how to do that. This is getting fried. Good. Yeah, good aroma, and the color of the dal changes a bit, right? This is the time you add onion, you add mustard and jeera. Your most important ingredient, which is til. It's going to add to the taste. And now your whole green chili. Do you see now? See how the blend is looking. Just switch off your stove and allow the mixture to get mixed well. Now, this is ready. Now, we need to add the mixture, right? It is hot, so be very careful. Mix it a bit, or you can cool it under fan for some time. Okay, in want of time, I'm going to make it, grind it hot a bit. No harm, just be careful while taking it out, okay? Now, it's time to add your tampering. Let's add all this and see how it's going to taste. Awesome taste. Do you like dosa? Most of the kids like dosa, right? Encourage them to have bottle gourd chutney along with their dosa. That's going to, be healthy and they'll also like it. Now, it may not have enough salt, right? It may not have enough salt. So, we added very little salt, only for the vegetables to get softer. Now you add the remaining salt to it. And now it's time to add very little hing. Hing is going to taste fantastic. Hing is a very important ingredient. You need not add water to it. Yeah, now it's time to grind the ingredients. Let's see how the blend is. Don't make it a complete paste. Yeah, this is all we need. Don't make. Yeah, let's look at the blend. Yeah, don't make it into a complete paste. It won't really, taste better. It has to be coarse, and that will really boost the taste of your chutney. Okay, I know all of you are waiting for waiting for an opportunity to taste whatever I'm preparing. Let's take it into the serving jar. No further tempering is required. You need not season it with anything. Just leave it as such. And here is the chutney, blazing bottle gourd otni, to consume with rice, roti, or with any of the tiffin varieties. Okay, now if you like my video and the dish, please subscribe, hit the notification button and like it. Leave your comments in the comment section. They will encourage me and also they will benefit my viewers by increasing my spread. If you like my video, please share with others. I am coming soon with an exciting recipe. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy.